Hello friends, welcome to ATIBlog tutorials. In this tutorial we will discuss how to run files from command prompt. For example, how to run an image file or any video file, etc. Also, how to open programs like Chrome or Notepad or any other programs like Notepad++, etc. First of all, we will see how to run a file. You can see in my computer I am currently in user/Chandan Kumar directory, but it doesn't matter. We will use absolute path for running any file. So the first command is start. The start command is used to start any program or any file. For example, start, then a space, then I am opening a image file, just dragging it here, so you can see start, then the file path. You can see the image is opened in the default program. So, or you can you can open any programs too from start command. For example, start Chrome, then Google Chrome will be started. If you want to visit any web page in Chrome, if Chrome is your default browser, then start www.google.com. You can see google.com is opening. So start command is a very useful command, and you can open programs as well. So if you want to open a video file, like this is a mp3 file, okay, you will see here, if start command is not working in your Windows, then you can use different command like call, then this. You will see this audio is running fine. So these are the two commands that you can use to start any program or any run any program, etc. It's very useful, these two commands, start and call. Thank you.